In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable location tags in photos on your Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by opening the camera app. Then from here, you want to tap on the settings icon at the top left corner of your screen. And you want to scroll through your camera settings until you get to location tags. So if you want to add them onto your photos, so this adds any location for where that photo or video is taken, just tap on the toggle to enable it. Then you'll be asked to give in what type of location services you want to use for your image. So you can choose precise or approximate, and then you can choose while using the app or only this time. So once you've selected your location as well as when you want it to be used, you can now start taking photos. So now when you take a photo, you'll notice that when you go to view the photo details, by tapping on the info icon here, you'll notice that you've added a location to your photo. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.